Make cold brew coffee in minutes with the Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer by Presto. A tornado spins coffee grounds through the water to make cold brew fast. It's smooth and flavorful with no bitterness because grounds are never exposed to high temperatures. The Dorothy Cold Brewer is easy to use. Insert the stirring cup into the carafe and place on the power base. Add water. Select the brew speed and watch the tornado form. Gradually turn the dial until the tip of the tornado extends down to the top of the stirring cup. Pour in ground coffee and let it stir to your desired strength. 10 minutes for a flavorful lighter brew, 20 minutes for full strength, or up to 30 minutes for ultra strong coffee. Turn off and let the brewer rest for about 5 minutes. Then attach the plunger with filter and press down slowly and evenly to filter the coffee and move grounds into the stirring cup. Pour over ice and add milk, cream, or sweeten to taste and enjoy. When you're done, the plunger automatically attaches to the stirring cup for easy removal. The Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer, a fresh spin on cold brew by Presto.
Cold brew is the hottest coffee in town. There's a lot of confusion about what it is, so let's set the record straight. Cold brew is a method, not a temperature. It can be served as iced coffee or as hot coffee too. Here's how it works. Use a drip grind, add water, soak the coffee grounds in cold water for about 12 hours, flip the release, and filter the coffee through the precision stainless steel filter. That's it. It's really hard to mess up. Cold brewing makes a concentrate that can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. To make iced coffee, pour 2 ounces over a glass full of ice and add milk. To make hot coffee, pour 2 ounces into a mug, fill with hot water, and add milk. Here's the science. Exposing grounds to hot water oxidizes the oils that are full of acidity and bitterness. Because cold brew is made with cold water, those acids and oils stay trapped in the grounds. The burnt flavor is eliminated. Cold brew tastes smoother, sweeter, richer, and more chocolatey. Plus, the reduced acid makes it healthier for your stomach and your teeth. To make a fancy frozen coffee drink, blend in ice, cream, and chocolate, or even pumpkin spice. Because you can store it for so long, it's perfect for baking, marinades, and cocktails.